Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. I am Professor Dr. Bishra Shaheen, Head of Biochemistry Department, Abwa Medical College, Faisalabad. Congratulations, dear students, for getting admission in Abwa Medical College. Welcome to this prestigious institute. Dear students, brain behind this institution are Mr. Khurram Iftikhar and Mrs. Faiza Khurram. Both are working with determination and dedication to take this institute to the height of success. Here is the principal of Abwa Medical College, Professor Dr. Imtiaz Rasool. He is also Professor of Surgery. Professor Dr. Altaf Pervez Qasim, Professor of Forensic Medicine, is also working as Medical Superintendent of Abwa Hospital. Now I introduce myself and Faculty of Biochemistry. I am Professor Dr. Bishra Shaheen, Head of Biochemistry Department. Dr. Zari Khalik is working as Assistant Professor of Biochemistry. Dr. Maliha and Dr. Rahila working as Senior Demonstrator. And Dr. Mariam is also working as Demonstrator. Lab staff include Mr. Ali Raza and Mr. Kashif. What comes in your mind by watching these figures? See this figure? Look at this figure. And now this. Of course, biochemistry. First, I would like to tell you about recommended books of biochemistry for first year MBBS. Harper Illustrated Biochemistry 31st edition. This is Lippincott Illustrated Biochemistry 7th edition. Essentials of Medical Biochemistry Volume 1 by Professor Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed. You are requested to buy latest edition mentioned in previous slides. Why we study biochemistry? We study biochemistry as most diseases have a biochemical basis. Disturbance in human biochemistry is responsible for disease. The study of disease can open up area of basic biochemical research. Many diseases are manifestations of abnormalities in genes, proteins, chemical reactions, or biochemical processes. Now, what are the learning objectives of today's lecture? By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand scope of biochemistry and its central role in the life sciences. Relationship between biochemistry and medicine. Human Genome Project. Elementary composition and normal chemical composition of human body. Major complex biomolecule found in cell and their building blocks. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry is science concerned with the molecules present in living organisms, individuals' chemical reactions and their enzyme catalysts, and the expression and regulation of each metabolic process. We can say biochemistry is the basic language of all biologic sciences. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry is the study of chemistry of biology. Biochemistry makes significant contribution to the fields of cell biology, physiology, immunology, microbiology, pharmacology, toxicology, and epidemiology, as well as the fields of inflammation, cell injury, and cancer. A two-way street connects biochemistry and medicine. Knowledge of the biochemical topics listed above the green line of the diagram has clarified our understanding of the diseases shown below the green line. Conversely, analysis of the disease put light on many areas of biochemistry. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disease, and that both atherosclerosis and diabetes mellitus have genetic components. The two major concerns for health workers are the understanding and maintenance of health and effective treatment of disease. Biochemical studies has eliminated many aspects of health and disease. You can see how knowledge of protein structure and function reveal the single difference in amino acid sequence between normal hemoglobin and sickle cell hemoglobin. Subsequent analysis of numerous variant sickle cell and other hemoglobins has contributed significantly to our understanding of structure and function of both hemoglobin and of other proteins. Human Genome Project is an international scientific research project which aimed to determine the complete sequence of nucleotide base pairs that make up human DNA and all the genes it contains. Human Genome Project has influenced many disciplines and areas of research like lipidomics, glycomics, proteomics, transcriptomics, and metabolomics. You will study all these in coming days. According to elementary composition of the human body on dry weight basis, the carbon is 50%, oxygen is 20%, hydrogen is 10%, nitrogen is 8.5%, calcium 4%, phosphorus 2.5%, and potassium 1%, sulfur 0.8%, sodium 0.4%, chlorine also 0.4%, magnesium 0.1%, iron 0.01%, manganese 0.001%. At last not least, iodine has 0.00005%. which is very minute in amount, but iodine is responsible for biosynthesis of thyroid hormone, which control body metabolism. Now comes to the MCQ. Are you ready? The percentage of calcium in our body on dry weight basis is option A 50%, option B 20%, option C 10%, option D 8.5%, and option E 4%. What is your answer? Yes, it is 4%. E option is the correct answer. Normal chemical composition of man having 65 kg weight. Total protein content of body is 11 kg, which is 17%. Total carbohydrate content, total fat content of body is 9, which is 13.8%. Total carbohydrate content of body is 1 kg, which is 1.5%. Total water content of body is 40 kg, which is 61.6%. And total mineral content of body weight is 4 kg, which is 6.1%. The major complex organic biomolecules of cells and tissues are DNA, RNA, proteins, polysaccharides, and lipids. Deoxynucleotide is building block of DNA and it is genetic material. RNA are building blocks of ribonucleotide are building block of RNA. It is template for protein synthesis. Amino acids are building block of proteins. It has numerous functions. Glucose is a building block of polysaccharide. It acts as a short-term storage of energy as glucose. Fatty acids are building block of lipids, which is act as a long-term storage of energy as triacylglycerol and membrane components. The nucleic acids, proteins and polysaccharides are biopolymers, and the lipids are not generally biopolymers, and not all lipids have fatty acids as building blocks. The another MCQ: long-term storage of energy in human body is option A triacylglycerol, option B glucose, option C protein, option D RNA, and option D DNA. Now the correct answer is triacylglycerol, A option. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you very much.